how to get intricate designs of Kalamkari using acrylic paints. Why does this elephant have wings? Let us find out. Hi, I am Vidya. Welcome to my channel where we learn various aspects of Indian folk and traditional paintings. I have roughly drawn the figure of an elephant with a blue watercolor pencil. There are two main advantages of this over a graphite pencil. First, the graphite will show through the acrylic paint, but a color pencil will not. Second, after the final drawing, the color pencil can be easily erased using a damp cloth. Now I am drawing with a permanent black pen. This too will show through the acrylic painting. As I draw, I am improvising it. In the meanwhile, let us look at the subject I am drawing. In order to appreciate any folk art, one has to first understand the tradition and beliefs of the people creating it. It becomes all the more important when you have a culture that dates back to a few thousands of years, a culture rich in philosophy and spiritualism, and an art form that depicts this concept in its creations. Then definitely it needs some explanation. I am drawing here a white elephant which is a Vahana or a vehicle of god Indra. In Hindu belief system, every god has an animal or a bird as a vehicle. The idea of vehicle or Vahana is rooted in the Vedas. The Vahanas are divine because they are forever in contact with the deities they serve. The Vahanas have a deeper symbolism. They denote the elements over which the gods have control. Indra, the king of heavens and the god of thunder and rain, is accompanied by an elephant, Airavata. Airavata is a white elephant who is seen as a symbol of purity, strength and abundance. As the god responsible for rainfall and fertility, Indra's choice of elephant Vahana aligns with the creature's association with water and prosperity. In Hinduism, the Vahanas not only play a key role in the stories of their corresponding gods, but they help art historians identify the deities in the art. The next step is to apply an off-white color over the elephant. Initially I used a small brush in order to safeguard the outlines, but then I realized it is anyways going to show through across the acrylic paint. So I covered the whole painting with off-white color using a larger brush. Now I start with a border. The intricate lines designs of Kalamkari painting was very difficult to achieve even with a rigger brush. Now I try with a stick, but this too is very cumbersome as I have to dip into the paint too often. Then I found a perfect solution. I completed the whole painting in no time. Can you guess it? I will share the secret tip with you after I finish the whole painting. So keep watching and keep guessing until I share the secret. Watch till the end to find out. This whole artwork has a lot of intricate and repetitive designs. So I am showing only glimpses of the process. The concept of Vahana has yet another meaning. In the temples, the gods are taken in procession, and for different occasions there are different animal shaped vehicles on which the gods are taken in procession, like the horse, the elephant, the Nandi or the bull, etc. They also show the creativity of the artisans. Let us now rewind and see my little secret. Now I am revealing the secret of my easy acrylic painting method. I have filled the paint in a glue applicator and used it like a pen. This method needs a little bit of practice, as you should be able to control the flow of the paint. Moreover, the roughness of the canvas also does not allow a smooth line. That is the reason why I had to keep turning the canvas around. Do let me know what you think of this method. Also, if you have any queries, please do feel free to ask in the comments. Hope you have found this video useful and informative. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel to learn more tips and tricks in future videos. Thank you for watching.